Hello friend, welcome back. Recently checkmylinks for Edge browser has got major issue where like when you open a new website or any web page, checkmylinks get auto triggered. Due to this, many users face a lot of issues that checkmylinks is automatically getting triggered, automatically getting started even though you haven't clicked on the logo. You see that checkmylinks has got automatically triggered here. You go to any page or any website, it was sometimes and many a times it was getting automatically started. So this issue has happened in 7.1.5 release, and it has happened because we have added new feature in checkmylinks where when you automate checkmylinks to get multiple reports for all the pages, basically report for all multiple pages of your website just in single shot through automation script. We have added that feature, you might have noticed that, and if you didn't know this, check out the videos here and the blogs on SelectorsHub website and YouTube channel. So we have added that feature. Due to that feature, this issue got pushed. We have fixed this issue now with the version 7.1.6 on Edge browser. So we will recommend you just restart your browser. The version will checkmylinks version will automatically get updated, or you can just simply right click on the logo here and remove from Microsoft Edge, basically uninstall it, and then you can click on reinstall here. Add to other browser, Edge browser, you can install it again. So let me just remove this and install it again because that was the local one. I will reinstall it from here and will show you guys. So now this has been installed. If I will go to any website or any web page, it will not automatically get started. If I want to start it, I will have to click on the logo here and then only it will get triggered. So you will see that now if we go to any pages, any URL, it will not automatically get triggered. So this issue has been fixed. If you have installed checkmylinks due to that issue where it was getting automatically triggered, so you can reinstall it, and we are really sorry for this issue. So yeah, this was the quick update that now checkmylinks issue has been fixed. You can again reinstall it on Edge browser. Yeah, and if you still face any issue, feel free to let us know, and we are more than happy to fix any of the issue and any of the feedback. Thank you so much. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Also check out these awesome informative videos and keep watching more videos on SelectorsHub channel. Thank you.